Remember Steve? Things have been going well since we last saw him. With his conveyors securely protected by Kogan guardrail, Steve took a short holiday to enjoy the great outdoors. Even the best safety managers need a break. But now he's back at work. Steve is supervising a new pallet rack installation at his warehouse. This will be a busy pick area with lots of in-plant traffic. Proper rack protection is essential. Steve knows it only takes one damaged rack post to upset his entire operation. Steve also knows that Kogan rack aisle and rack post protectors are the smart choice to shield his racking from collision accidents. The all-steel construction provides robust protection around critical rack supports without interrupting aisle flow patterns or limiting access to his inventory. Plus, standard sizes are always in stock and ready to ship. So Steve gets his rack protection right on time. When it comes to your pick area, be like Steve and make rack protection your top priority. Contact us today for your free estimate